Hi everybody, welcome back to the Teal Pumpkin. My name is Dawn and I'm so happy to have you here today. On today's video, we're going to be doing my outside porch for the 4th of July, as well as I'm calling it my summer decorating. Every year I use Patriotic Decor as my summer decor, so if that sounds like something you're interested in, you don't want to miss today's video. I'm also going to be styling my foyer. I have a gallery wall and I have this dresser right here that I am going to be styling. And I hope that you guys will enjoy the video and I hope it will bring you some inspiration. So without further ado, let's go. So starting out on my front porch, I have these two blue and white planters that I splurged on last year and bought these from Williams-Sonoma. And what I put in them this year, I feel like I got scammed because these ferns I bought from some company online, and when they came, they look about as fake can be. And I bought 7 of these little picks here. Of course, the way they made it look on Pinterest, it looked amazing. And this is what I got. I spent $75 for just these few picks. They look fake, but I'm going to use them because I spent a lot of money on them. So they're just going to have to do. Now that Hobby Lobby has their items for the 4th of July on 40% off, I did go ahead and buy these flags that I'm just going to stick down in the planter. And I'm going to do that with this planter as well as the other planter. And I think it's just going to possibly hide the fact that those are very fake looking ferns.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own.
I use this door hanger a lot, this ginger jar. I just love it so much. I simply added this plaid bow and added some of that ribbon that I have that is the red, white, and blue flag. And I think it looks great on my front door. From Memorial Day through 4th of July, I always put up this bunting. And on this day, I was lucky enough to have my husband do it for me. And I think it just adds so much character to your home when you add this.
So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say.
Now let's step inside my foyer, and I'm going to be swapping out these prints for some 4th of July ones. I purchased one of them from a seller on Etsy, and the other one I found as a free downloadable print. I went ahead and I already added this picture of George Washington. I'm trying to add some patriotic decor to my wall here, and I'm excited to show you the other 2 items that I found. I will be adding more to this gallery wall as soon as I find different prints to add, but as of right now, I feel like most of these look very summery.
And I've come out here to say, hey, you're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm on it. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say, hey, that I love you.
So I'm going to be using my electrical tape for this banner right here that I'm going to place on my mirror. And what I'm going to do is just try to style this kind of using the same items that I normally use. So I might add a bow or something, ribbon to the candlestick. I'm not quite sure. I haven't really played around with this because I kind of like it the way that it is, but let's see what else we can do to tweak this. I have these Amazon candlesticks that I always use, and I'm going to see how it looks with the red, white, and blue flag ribbon. I think I bought this ribbon last year at Hobby Lobby, if I'm not mistaken. And as you know, I like to tie bows and ribbon on all of my decor. It is such an inexpensive way to give just a little touch or nod to whatever you're decorating for. So somehow I did not get me filming this, but you guys know how to tie a ribbon on a candlestick. So I'm just going to put these back here. I don't know what happened to me filming that, but somehow it got lost, but that's okay. What I have in here is grocery store bags, and then I have some burlap ribbon that I bought at the thrift store last year. I found this cute little pennant at Marshall's, and this was $3.99. I thought it was so cute. This is a gorgeous hydrangea. This was actually from my mom's garden that she brought when she came to visit recently. And I'm thinking of possibly adding this maybe here. Or I was thinking of maybe tying a ribbon. But this is all the ribbon I have. So I've used it all. Let's see. Maybe I will put that there. I think I'm gonna do that. I just love bows and ribbon so much. Comment down below if you guys use bows and ribbon in your decor. It's so cheap. I mean, this is a very frugal way to decorate your home, for sure. I hope that this tape stays. I don't think I told you guys that I actually hung my magnolia wreath that was above my kitchen, above my microwave. And I actually hung it with the tape. And it lasted about a month, but then it started to fall down. But I will let you know how this electrical tape works with holding this together. So I'm going to be hanging this. I'm just going to show you this little part here. Okay guys, that is going to do it for my 4th of July decor outside on my front porch as well as inside in my foyer. And I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope it brought you some inspiration, and I hope it brought you some ideas of how to do things on a budget. I truly believe in trying to find the cheapest way to do items. So if you can find free printables, or you can recycle the items in your home and just add maybe a few small touches to it, it looks like brand new decor each and every time you decorate for the season. So with that, I'm going to close down my video. I hope that you all will stay safe. I want to thank you so much for watching my video. Please hit the notification bell and subscribe if you haven't already. And with that, you guys take care, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.